Hi, boys and girls, and welcome back to Mr. Grable in our grade 3 math class. Today, we are on page 112, 100, 110, 12, and we're using graphs to solve problems. Unit 7, lesson 5. Here we go. So there we are, Unit 7, lesson 5, page 112, using graphs to solve problems. And we have a graph here. Now, on the quick review, on your page, it says Carl wanted to solve the problem about what to name his puppy. He asked his classmates for their ideas. Carl made a line plot to collect data from his classmates. Then he drew a bar graph. Oh, so he's doing lots. Carl found out that the most popular name was Chimo, so that is what he named his puppy. Okay, so you can see on your line plot and your, I'll give you a hint, horizontal bar graph that Chimo was the most popular name. Now, what we are going to do in 1A and B is organize Carl's data in this tally chart. Okay, so we're going to take the data from his other graphs and put it in the tally chart. And then we're supposed to make a different bar graph. I think we're going to go up and down. I think we're going to go vertical. Okay, so you ready? All we really have to do is copy the data from one chart to the other. So don't get confused. It's not that hard. So remember, we must have a title. And then we have the names down that axis. And then across this axis, we have tally and the number of votes. So according to Carl, Harry had quite a few names there, it looks like. Looks like Harry ended up with 9 votes. So 9 tallies. Remember how to do tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tallies are all about 5s. 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of votes, 9. Okay, Sam, on the other hand, only had, it's like 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more 6. And then Barry did not get too many votes. Looks like just 1 little vote for Barry. 1. And Chimo, as we can see, got 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay, so there is our tally chart. And you can see that, yes, Chimo had the most by about 3 more than Harry, double Sam, and 11 more than Barry, way more. Now, B says draw a different bar graph, and the only 2 bar graphs I know are vertical, up and down, and horizontal, across. And they already did horizontal. They went across. So we are going to do vertical and go up and down. Now remember, on our bar graphs, boys and girls, there's like 3 titles. Okay, number 1, title. Votes for the puppy's name. Okay, always put that on top, just like a book or a story or whatever. Now these are the ones that people might forget or not know about. Now, again, we have Harry and Sam and Barry and Chimo down there. Well, what are they? They're the names of the puppies. Or potential names of the puppies, or you could have put vote for the puppies. Just names. I guess I could have just put names down there probably. Okay, and then along the side, I didn't put my numbers in, but it says number of votes. Okay, so we better add the numbers in. And I'm going to go by 2s, so I'm going to use a scale here. So the first one, well, that's 0 down there. That's going to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and you could even go higher. So remember, we're going by 2s. I've decided on my scale, so be careful of that. So now we get to color them in, of course. Harry. Well, Harry got 9 votes. Okay, so Harry's right there. So I'm going to start 1 in here. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're all the way up to 8 there. Now this is where it's got to be careful when you count by 2s. We can't go to 10. We have to go halfway. and that would indicate our 9. Okay, so there's Harry. Sam. Sam got 6. Oh, that might be a little easier. Okay, so we got 2, 4, and right up to the 6th line there. Color that in. Okay, so because we're counting by 2s, it works easier for Sam. Now Barry only got 1. So we actually can only color half of one of these squares, because the whole square is worth 2, remember. And Chimo, we know we got lots of coloring to do for Chimo. So Chimo's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And that is the right number. Yeah, stop right there and color all the way down accurately and carefully. And as you can see, Chimo was the most popular name, and Chimo is the name that he decided to name him. There you go. Had a problem. Didn't know what to call his puppy. Now he does. Use that data for solving problems. Have a great day. Bye-bye.